have to get out of here. Nick is gonna finish cleaning up, but we're pretty close to being built. We just have that back edge to finish up. Spill is in, plumbing is in. We just gotta get the pump in. We'll get this all wrapped on Monday. This is pretty close to being done. We're tucking the liner and underlayment. Plants are going in, lights are in. We just have to start tweaking some of the little things. I'm gonna get this running to clean it off. Then I've got to adjust some aquatic plants and stuff in the front, but we are getting very close. The system isn't completely set up with the filtration, so relying heavily on plants that we've worked with them to throw in here. But this thing, I just threw it on the edge, and it is completely taken over in 2 weeks.